Hello, come back again with Learning Thai with Look today. And today I would like to teach or talk about this word that I'm quite sure that you can see many this kind of word in many form before. That word is gender. Gender, gender. Gender in English, but in Thai you can say เพศ 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 normally you can see like when you have to cross or check something like from gender and then you can see like female or male, so it means like they ask you which gender are you. So gender, one more time, in Thai we say เพศ 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 เพศ. Okay, so in case that you have any question and would like to know more about any words in Thai, you can ask me or leave me a comment. It will be good if you can support my channel by press subscribe or leave me the comment. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.